This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Super nice one-level attached home in the Bull Run community with an in-ground pool and beautiful setting with rolling lawns and trees. Nice living room with a slider out to the yard. Master bedroom with a full bath. Large kitchen with an eating area and slider out to a private courtyard and access to the Double Car Detached Garage. Within walking distance to shopping, restaurants, and public transportation. HOA dues are $326 per month. Plate rail and mirror are excluded from the sale. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.